This is the HG125 gas pistol. It's quite a large gun, extended gun, has some nice metal pit parts on it, also has safety, works both sides. Magazine, very small mag, but then the gas goes into the actual handle of the gun. Let's take it to the range, see how it fires. Okay, first take the mag out. There is no button release for the magazine, you just have to actually put your finger in there and pull it down. It is quite stiff. So with the magazine, you have a clip at the top and a clip at the bottom. So basically you pull the spring down. This button at the back here releases the spring. So what you do is pull the spring down and leave it in position. There's another clip at the top that you just squeeze in, hold that, and then you can fill your mag. You'll see them go in. Once you fill up, just make sure that clip is in and then you can release the bottom. If you don't release the bottom, it doesn't matter because that automatically gets released when you put it into the gun anyway. Simply get your gas, put it into the nozzle and push down a few times. So once you're loaded, just release the safety, squeeze the trigger, single shot fire. So I just shot the cameraman on purpose. It's pretty surprisingly accurate. We're out of ammo. Let's just reload.